Hi, and welcome to InstantGMP's video on MPR scalability. First, we'll log in as a PM. Then, we're going to navigate to our master records. We're going to choose a record that has been approved. Here you can see that our chewable vitamin C tablets for 500 mg strength has a scale up or down icon. You can see that our product strength is read-only. It's still 500 mg strength, but our theoretical batch yield and our batch size are open fields. Let's scale up the MPR. Upon confirmation, we have a brand new MPR. Note that this MPR number is brand new. Our MPR version is 1. This is the first version of a master for this product strength and batch size. This master was built from the one it was scaled up from. This means that everything on the cover page has been copied except for the theoretical batch yield and the batch size. Our material tab has been updated for us so that the theoretical batch yield indicates what we've just changed the cover page to. You can see that all three of the materials in our bill of materials have been updated with the new amounts. The equipment and in-process test tabs remain the same, while our manufacturing instructions have been updated. You can see that each of the steps have been updated with the new targets. They've also been updated with new actions, so operators know exactly what to measure out. The min and the max remain the same so that your formulators can make adjustments as necessary. All that's left to do is sign off. You can see that the error messages remind our formulators to change the min and max before signing off on the record. Just a couple of clicks and you have a brand new MPR with a new scaled up batch size. With InstantGMP, it's easy to comply with the FDA regulations for MPRs. Next time someone asks you if you have separate master records for each batch size of each formulation, you can say yes with confidence. InstantGMP takes the pain out of the process of creating many master records for different batch sizes of the same product. InstantGMP makes traceability, compliance, and organization easy. Make sure to see our other videos on instantgmp.com. Thanks for watching.